Hi and welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Noir and this is Honey Lover Friend, where I curate affordable fashion to amplify the aesthetic, turning pins into a reality. So if you love what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get dressed. And before we get started, I just want to take this time out to say thank you to all my viewers and mostly my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you and your patience as I swerve and find my lane on this tiny piece of the internet. I'm really happy that many of you are really enjoying this Recreating Pinterest Outfits series, and I love that for you and I love that for me because overall I'm just a girl's girl and I love to get dressed. I love to play dress up. It's already a part of my lifestyle, so I'm just letting you in and sharing the details. And one thing about me, I'm a lover and not a fighter. I think my love language to others is gift giving. So guess what? I'm going to be having a free giveaway coming up soon. I'm going to share more details in my upcoming Shein accessories haul video. So stay tuned for more details and make sure you're subscribed so that you're eligible to win. Now let's get dressed. For this outfit, our pinspo is wearing this butterscotchy brown turtleneck sweater. And then she's wearing this ruffled tiered skirt with some pinstripe and other details. She has added these red boots for a pop of color and also accented the red boots with these tinted frame sunglasses. She has on some chunky earrings, and then she just has on a, from what I can see, basic handbag. So for my outfit, head to toe, I'm wearing these oversized retro sunnies. They have an ombre effect to them, so it's really going to play up against all the neutrals in the outfit. And then I'm wearing this sweater in pretty much the same color, except mine has a little bit more razzle dazzle with the frilly details on the sleeves. For my skirt, I'm wearing this tiered maxi dress. It just doesn't have the exaggerated ruffles, but what I did do is, you know, I'm always going to zhuzh up a skirt or something. So what I did was I pulled up the hem from the bottom and tucked it into the waistband of the skirt. And then to secure it, I added this belt, which complemented the sweater really well. Playing with the hemline made the skirt feel a little bit more fashion, and it really made the outfit feel a lot more personalized. To me, it has this like ethereal or like even Grecian effect with all of the draping that the tuck created against the pleats. And then for shoes, I decided to pop out two, and I have these patent Bordeaux red color over the knee boots. I love the bold fashion touch that these boots bring to pretty much any outfit. I've had these boots for about a season or two. I'm just happy to put them in rotation given that the color is super on trend. Then to bring the whole look together, I paired this chocolate brown faux suede bag with the chain details. I like how the chain details help to pull in the chunky earrings and just really bring the look together. The brown in the bag complemented the outfit so well because we're playing with neutrals up against my brown skin tone. For this next fit, we have a bit more of a preppy vibe that I zhuzhed up to make my own. In our pinspo, she's wearing a white button-up shirt that she has accessorized with a skinny black tie. She tucked in her shirt into this razzle-dazzle pink pair of tweed shorts, and then she kept it simple on the bottom with these open-toe strappy shoes. For me, I started off with this button-up white shirt, but I wanted to add additional layers. This is the season of layering, and so I wanted the look to feel just a little bit softer. That's why I opted out of the tie and then went for an additional layer with this really fluffy and chic white V-neck sweater. And I feel like it really carried the preppy look as well, with a little bit more zhuzh. And then for the bottoms, I have this pretty in pink, really chic, super cute tweed shorts with a little bit of sparkle threading for just a touch of razzle dazzle. For weather purposes, I decided to add these nude stockings just to give me a little bit more coverage given that I'm wearing shorts. I went with these closed toe heeled boots in a black patent fabric. And I feel like it helped to elevate the look, but also keep it weather appropriate. For my earrings, I wore these oversized rhinestone covered hoops. I feel like it helped to pull out the sparkle in the shorts and really pull the look together. And then to complement the black in the fit, I just brought in this black bag, but it's an oversized clutch, which keeps the outfit feeling fresh, modern, and on trend. The thing I like about the pinspo is that the greens are very muted, and I feel like that transitions well not only into the season, but this is an outfit that you could definitely wear to work or play. For our pinspo, she kept her outfit pretty simple and basic. So she does have this trendy sweater with the wraparound effect, and then she's just paired it with green trousers in a similar tone. And then she added a white bag, which kind of serves as an accent piece because she is wearing one full color. And then she is wearing some clear sandals. So basically the monochrome is the main event. It seems as though she has on some exaggerated earrings, so this is what I did with it. So I came in with this high neck sleeveless blouse that you may have seen in a previous video. I decided to layer it with this sweater that was part of my knitwear haul. Remember I was saying that the hard truth is Missguided is better than Shein. So Missguided is now being, I guess you could say, hosted on the Shein website. I personally have never shopped Missguided, and so I've come across them recently through the Shein website, and they do not disappoint. The quality does not disappoint. However, the price matches the quality for sure in comparison to the rest of the Shein website that most people complain about. So every Missguided piece that I have thus far absolutely doesn't disappoint. The quality is unmatched. So that goes for these trousers as well. They just have this silky, satiny, chic effect to them. You could definitely wear it to the office, and you could even wear it on an evening out with the girls. But back to my outfit from head to toe, I'm wearing these exaggerated gold earrings. They're actually one of my favorite earrings that I own from my Bordeaux collection. More on that in a later video. I like how they're so exaggerated against the muted outfit. And then, like I said, I think she is already wearing some type of statement earrings, so that just fit in line with me to help bring out the outfit as well, to make it feel a little bit more dressed up. And then we have the blouse and we have the sweater. The sweater, you may have noticed from the previous video that it was designed with a slit or a split at the hem. What I did to conceal that was just tuck it in, and then I belted it. I love this belt because it offers a gold accent, but it's just a clear belt, so it doesn't take away too much from the outfit. It's just the perfect amount of amplification to get the job done. And so I was able to conceal the hem of the sweater with the belt with this kind of, well, it's like more of a half tuck effect. So I tucked it in the front, and it's a bit loosely let out in the back with the belt over it. I mean, it's really choose your own adventure in terms of your personal style preferences. So that's what I did with it. And then the pants, Missguided, 10 out of 10, do recommend. For my shoes, she had on these clear sandals. To be weather appropriate, I went for a closed heel, but I love that I paired it with these muted pink nude heels because they just offered the right amount of pop, especially because the entire outfit is in more of a muted tone. The muted shoes just made sense for me. And for her white bag, I have this twisted clutch that really got the job done. I could see why she decided to go with a white against her whole outfit. For this outfit, we're going more for a street style inspired look. I feel like that's what this look is reading for me, because it does have like the traditional suiting pieces, but based on how she's accessorized it, it's not giving office really. So to me, this is more in line with the suiting trend and just making it more everyday casual. So she's wearing a navy with thin white print stripes suit, so a blazer as well as trousers. She's decided to pair it with this basic white t-shirt from what I can see. And then from the top, she's wearing these white sunglasses, which help to pull out the white and even, I guess, accent the pinstripes in the suit as a whole. She has on these very chunky, exaggerated gold statement earrings. And she also went for a pearl necklace with a pendant with a pearl in it. That's doing a lot. Again, that's why I suggest it as more of a street style appeal. On the bottom, she's wearing these silver metallic shoes. And I think I've mentioned before, girlies, mixed metal is a thing. It is just love it or leave it. Honestly, metallics in terms of shoes and other accessories kind of just serve as an accent piece and really like a neutral at this point. So for me, from the top, I opted out of the earrings just because I was already going for chunky necklace accessories, and I just really didn't want to do too much. I feel like it was, what I have was just enough. That against the white shirt is really just everything, and it feels a little bit artsy to me. And so to put the whole look together, I have on this vest and trouser combo in the same navy blue and thin white pinstripe look. For a moment like this, in the best interest of street style, I love this necklace. It's just the right amount of chunky, bold statement, and gaudy to seal the deal. And then on the bottom, similar to our pinspo, I'm wearing these metallic silver kitten heel shoes. And that's the fit. For this next look, we went a little bit more edgy and evening wear chic. In our pinspo, she's wearing this oversized black blazer that she's paired with some sheer black gloves, and she has the blazer over top what seems like a sheer dress or skirt. Underneath the skirt, we can see that she's wearing these open-toe sandals. So here's what I did. I came back with my very faithful oversized Zara blazer. Again, you're seeing me wear this from season to season. I've told no lies. It's an absolute wardrobe staple, particularly in this cut, because you can also pair it with this type of look and really feel covered. So I have my black blazer that I paired over this long line, high neck, sheer black dress. And this is from the Missguided line as well. So again, it doesn't disappoint. It feels very rich quality in terms of how far rich quality can go for this type of material. It doesn't feel like it's going to, you're gonna run your nail through it and it's gonna tear it, although you still have to be cautious, right? And so we have this dress. I love that it's in a longer cut because it adds to more chic sophistication, even though it is see-through. But then to add an additional layer to it, I decided to pair some stockings. These stockings are actually, you could say patterned, but they're more like lacy. So they have this design effect that I feel just really spoke to me from underneath the dress. And again, just helped me to get a little bit more coverage. To make the outfit feel a little bit more seamless, I decided to go with these PVC black heels. The shoes truly look seamless with the look. They just disappeared into the outfit, and it's just the perfect accessory to execute this look. And then from underneath the dress, you can see a little bit of a gold accent. I've been doing this, I guess you could call it styling technique, for years now. I don't know, it does something for me. When you have like a sheer, semi-sheer type of top and you pair your necklace underneath, it just, I don't know, it does something for me. It may not be for everyone, but I decided to do that for this look just to give just the perfect accent to the outfit without being overtly extra, I guess you could say. And truthfully, this isn't even a necklace. It's a belt that I styled as a necklace, but it was just not necessarily simple, but just the right amount of zhuzh to really make the outfit feel modern, and also it just added the right amount of touch to make the outfit feel more modern, even though this could be a timeless look. And then how could I forget the gloves? So I just came in with these sheer long gloves. You can get them pretty much anywhere. The main reason why I love this Pinterest outfit, it was just a more unique, personalized touch to a basic outfit formula. And the mesh dress against the mesh gloves really went for effortlessly chic and seamless. Almost like the dress came with built-in gloves. For this look, it's still giving me super chic, preppy vibes. I decided to, in our pinspo, she's wearing this statement necklace. I can't tell if it's pearls or crystals, rhinestones, gems. And then she has paired it against a V-neck sweater in a neutral tone. And she's wearing a full skirt in a nylon material, and seems like she's wearing some knee-high or over-the-knee boots. Pretty simple, pretty classic, pretty timeless outfit formula, but this is what I did with it. So from the top, I decided to come in with my exaggerated pearl necklace, and I feel like this piece matched best against the pinspo. Especially with it being pearls, it adds to that chic, preppy sophistication that it's giving. For my sweater, I decided to go just a little bit more playful, and it's still a V-neck sweater, but it has a design on it. I think motif is what you call it. I don't know, don't quote me, but it has a design on it. They're pink flowers against a gray sweater, and I love that. It feels just, the flowers make it feel feminine, but it's just not too loud. And then I brought in my nylon skirt. Again, another Missguided piece. This is just like, I don't know, there's something about nylon, and maybe as an 80s baby, like when we used to wear those tracksuits, I feel like it reminds me of that. And so now that I can find these pieces in more of a modern cut, I love that for me and my closet. So this was an absolute yes. And again, the quality does not disappoint. Sometimes for the pieces, and this is across the Shein website as a whole, pay attention to the details. Make sure that you're reading the measurements of the pieces to get the correct size. For this type of skirt, these nylon skirts, you may have to size down 1 or 2 sizes. So I went for the black skirt. It's a full length skirt on me. I'm only 5'2", so there really wasn't a need to do the whole boot effect. But what I decided to do was still pair it with these silver booties just to make it feel more modern. So the pop of silver, chrome, definitely brought in a more modern aspect to the outfit and also pulled out the gray from the sweater. All right, lovers and friends, so that's all the things for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below, as always, which outfit was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let me see your hands.